Hey guys, welcome to Home Sweet Homeschool. If you're new here, my name is Ashley and I'm a homeschooling mom to one. And in today's video, we are talking all about homeschool spaces. Now this video is a part of a collaboration hosted by Anna over at Just Making It Work. So if you haven't checked out her channel already, definitely go ahead and do that. And don't forget to check out the playlist that will be linked in the description box below so you can see all the other homeschool spaces that we're sharing today. So if you're needing some ideas for your space, or you just want to be a little bit nosy and see what other people's houses look like, then you definitely want to check out this playlist. But before we get started on our tour of our homeschool space, I just want to talk to you about comparison. When you watch these videos, I don't want them to make you feel bad about your space. I know a lot of times I see things on Instagram and YouTube and you start doubting yourself, doubting your curriculum, doubting your space, and that's not what we want out of this collaboration. We want to give you ideas and encouragement. So if you start to feel that coming up inside of you, that comparison, maybe cut it off and take a break, or just remember, your space is what is perfect for your family. My space is going to look very different from the other mamas that are sharing today. My space is very comfortable. It's what works for my son, which is what is most important. And that's what I want you to keep in mind when you watch every one of these videos. I want you to keep in mind that your space is what works the best for your family. So you can always share with me in the comments where you like to work the best. If you like your homeschool room, or you like to work outside or on your couch, let me know in the comments, because I am interested in other homeschool spaces. So like I said, I'm going to take you on a little tour of our homeschool space. But before we do that, I just want to say we've experienced the classroom. I was a teacher for 13 years. My son went to school through 3rd grade. So we've had a classroom setting. We've had desks, we've decorated rooms, and so our space is going to be a little different. It's a little more comfortable and a little more relaxed. So again, check out the playlist. Let's get started with the tour. So here is our homeschool space. And if you're like, that's your living room, then you're exactly right. For us, homeschool life is really just our everyday life. It's just living. And so, yeah, we homeschool right here on our couch. And you guys, it's super comfy. We've got throws over in the corner because sometimes we cover up. Sometimes our dog's piled up with us. If you've watched any of our day in life videos, you're going to see Miss Lola. She's actually right here beside me right now. Hey, Lo. And she'll homeschool with us. But this is where we do the majority of our homeschooling. And then my son also loves that recliner. That's one of his favorite places to sit too. So what I usually do is I just roll this cart in here. This is the Hudson cart from Michael's. It has everything we need on it to have a school day. Luckily, we use a curriculum that doesn't have a lot of pieces to it. So everything we need is right here, and this can roll from room to room. But this right here is where we homeschool, and I don't ever see us change because we love this. We do have one other space, and I'll show you that really quick as well. The other area that we sometimes like to do homeschool in is our breakfast nook. Number one, it has great lighting, which today you can't tell because it's raining. But we love sitting here for times that we actually need a table to prop on. Also, my husband leaves his laptop right there. And so if we need to use it for videos or for typing or whatever it may be, it's right there as well. But we love working right here. We love this little space. I have this cabinet over here. Last year it held some of our materials like our typing book and our book stand and all that. But we don't need that this year. But we do have this cabinet over here in case we need it. On top of the cabinet, I can't even talk, is where we keep some of our art supplies. I tuck a pencil sharpener over there just in case we need it for colored pencils, because we tend to use mechanical pencils. And then this little shelf over here just kind of holds stuff during the day. If I need to put stuff over here, it's also for my dog, because see, we live here. So our rooms double as many different things. So my dog's things are here, but then if I need to sit stuff up here, I do. And then I also have a caddy of some extra stuff just in case we need it. But this is one of our other places that we like to homeschool. The only other place that we really love to homeschool here at home is outside. And I can't show you that today because it's raining, but we love to set up camping chairs and take our stuff outside. So we don't have a homeschool room, and that's okay. We just use our spaces that we already have. I want to thank Anna again from Just Making It Work for hosting this collaboration. Don't forget to check out the other videos in the playlist. And as always, thank you so much for watching.